everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. I'm really trying to be chipper, but I feel like shit. Not like shit, but like my throat is really raw and scratchy. I have a headache, my nose is stuffed up. I literally powered through this makeup tutorial, to be honest. Anyway, in today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can get this look right here. This is day 16 of my 31 days of beauty challenge, and I'm so proud of myself. I'm halfway. I am half fucking way. Whoop, whoop. I saw this look on Instagram and I really liked it, and I was like, I'm gonna recreate the look. It's kind of like an interesting reverse Smokey situation that's going on here. But anyway, you guys will see the details of this look as you watch the video. Before we begin, please do not forget to subscribe. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers. 3,000. I looked at my analytics and legit 65% of you guys that watch my videos do not subscribe. Why? Are you just a monitoring spirit? Are you just to shook around and look? Subscribe, commit, make a commitment to me. I promise I'll not lead you down the wrong path. As you're clicking on that subscribe button, be part of the people that click on the notification button so that you will always get notifications of whenever I upload a new video, which for the month of July has been Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. I have been very good with my schedule. Like, I deserve a round of applause. I have been so good with the schedule, even with the days of makeup, like the 31 days of beauty challenge I've been doing. I deserve a round of applause. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get started with today's video. I have a sore throat right now, so if I sound weird, I'm so sorry. Plus, it's raining outside, so you guys are gonna have to manage the sound of the rain, the weird sound of my voice. That's what we're dealing with today. I'm gonna fill in my brows. I'm doing this on camera because I don't want to do it upstairs and come downstairs. I just want to do everything downstairs in my office. So you guys already know the drill on this. Taking the brown Deola pencil and I'm just using it to define the shape of my brow. Thank you guys so much for all the love on my social media Q&A / mukbang video. You guys really enjoyed that video. You guys were asking me where the spring rolls were from. Like, you guys were enjoying that video with me, so I'm really grateful. I've never done a video like that on my channel where I'm like eating and stuff. If I'm at an event and I'm eating and somebody takes my picture, I feel very uncomfortable because I think I'm a messy eater. I think like nobody wants to see me eating. I feel like it's kind of weird and rude. In fact, I've told photographers that please don't take a picture of me while eating. I just, because you make weird faces when you're eating. You're like, so I don't know. But you guys enjoyed that, so I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want more videos, more mukbangy videos like that, let me know. Now I'm gonna take my black Deola pencil and just from the middle add some strokes to darken and define. I'm gonna take some concealer to clean up these brows. I'm going to take my flat concealer brush and blend that concealer down. I'm gonna put some concealer on my lid to be my primer. Just gonna put a little bit of it because this concealer is very bright. For the first shadow that I am going to use, I'm going to be using the Zulu by Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to be taking this brown shade right here on my Evita Joseph Deluxe blender brush. I'm going to be taking the Kuti Cosmetics Kajal. This is a creamy kajal from Kuti Cosmetics. It's actually one of my favorite kajals because every time I use it to do like black eye looks, it always works out well. And then I'm going to take this flat brush right here, and I'm gonna blend it out. Then I'm going to take this shade right here from the Festival by Juvia's Place palette. The shade is called Kiliki. It's called Kiliki. It's right here. I'm gonna use that to set the lid. And I'm simply gonna take the first brush and blend out those edges right there. And that's it. I am just gonna wear some mascara. My mascara for this whole thing has been the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. It's like one of my favorite mascaras in the entire world. Just gonna pop that on my lashes. I was about to say lid. We are not gonna do the bottom part of the eye right now because I'm still gonna put foundation and concealer and it's gonna, you know, mess up the whole eye, and I don't wanna do that. So I'm just gonna go straight into the face. Primer, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Baby Skin primer. I'm gonna set that down with my loose finishing powder. I have a very, very big fluffy brush that I love so much. I use it for my under eye setting powder, but I also like to use it for this purpose because it's just a big brush that is able to deposit products everywhere you need it to be. Foundation. I'm going to be using the Zaron Healthy Glow Foundation. This is in the shade FZ35. I'm going to be mixing it with the Black Opal True Color Perfecting Primer in the shade Deep. I mix it because this is a very, 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 very matte foundation. Whenever I want my foundation to look a little glowy, I add the Black Opal Perfecting Primer to it. It adds a little bit of glow to the foundation. Oh, another thing about this foundation is that you have to act very fast because it dries down very fast. Time for concealer. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 45. It's almost done. I have to go and buy a new one soon. So I'm going to leave this to dry for like a couple of minutes. I'm going to go wet my little sponge and I'll be right back. I know you guys are waiting for this room tour, but man, as I said, all my money is going towards my Ghana trip. It's so damn close. I can't wait. Time to set. Setting with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder. This is my favorite setting powder, hands down. The only problem is that it doesn't have a sifter. It comes right out. You have to find like a platform to work with, and it's so annoying because it's really messy when you don't have a platform. But we do what we can. Then I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Dark. This is the e.l.f. Cosmetics Contour Palette, and I'm going to be taking my highlight from here. This little pan right here. Alright, it's time to finish the bottom lash line, but I'm going to use some Fix Plus to take away the powdery look on my face right now. I'm going to take this shade right here. This blue, it looks blue, it looks green, but it's blue. I'm going to take that silvery blue shade and apply it to my bottom lash line. Because it's a shimmery shade, I am so scared it's going to fall apart and just like ruin the bottom right here. So instead of rubbing it, I'm just going to pat it. Ooh, that is really pretty. I actually really like it. So I'm going to use my finger to kind of blend. I'm just going to pat it like that. I'm going to finish up the bottom lash line by applying some mascara. Alright, it's now time for the lip. So I'm first going to start off with the Zaron Cosmetics Lip Liner Pencil in the shade Red Vines. Yeah, this works. I felt like a red lip would work with this. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. I'm like, yep, this works. Lipstick is the Guerlain Rouge Automatique lipstick in the shade 121. Alright, I'm going to finish off this face by using the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Lockup Makeup. And that is it for the look, for the video. What do you think? What do you think? Let me know what you think. I really like this look. I love how from far it wakes up my eyes, like the bluish green. It just like makes my eyes open. Plus, I can never go wrong with a red lip. A red lip is just big. Thank you so much once again for watching. Do let me know what you think of this video and of this look by leaving me a comment below. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification button. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up because it helps my channel, and do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, that just came back. That just came back.